Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another astrology and chill video. I am so excited about this video because it is Leo season and I love Leos. Leos are one of my favorite signs. Leos and Scorpios are my two favorites. So yeah, I'm super excited to talk to you guys about Leos today. And so, okay, when I think of Leos, I think of super fierce people. So, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and do a really fierce eyeliner look, like a super winged out cat eye. It's gonna be so cool. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I do my makeup and if you guys want to learn more about Leos, please go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be trying out a new foundation today. This is the Born to Glow NYX foundation. I'm scared. I feel like it might be a little bit too light for me, but who knows. Okay, so let me just put this on real quick. Okay, so starting off, the Leo dates are from July 22nd to August 22nd. Now, usually this changes a lot. I know this year some people were saying that it started like on the 21st or whatever. That's usually because of the sun's position and like alignment at the time. But I mean, for the most part, the dates are from the 22nd to the 22nd. So yeah, Leos are ruled by the sun and they are fire elements. So fire elements are very passionate people. They are very fiery, very intimidating as well. So some famous people that are Leos are Kylie Jenner, Dylan and Cole Sprouse, the twins from Zack and Cody, if you guys didn't know. Also Madonna, J-Lo, Sandra Bullock, who else? Barack Obama, Arnold Schwarzenegger is also a Leo. There are also a lot of influencers who are Leos, like Bretman Rock, Ashley, she's known as Strash Me on Instagram. She won James Charles's recent competition. She is also a Leo. Her birthday was like yesterday, I think. But yeah, that's kind of like the energy that Leos give off, is kind of like being like celebrities and important, like famous people, I guess. That's just like the Leo energy. A lot of the times people say that they are conceited and full of themselves, but in reality they're just very self-centered, not like in the bad way, like centered within themselves, as in like they know what they want, you know, like that kind of self-centered. So my husband is actually a Leo and I am a Leo rising. And sometimes I like associate myself a lot more with like Leos and stuff, so I don't know. I think the Leo in me is pretty strong. But yeah, like my husband is super like self-conscious, I guess. So like every time he gets like a pimple or something, and he doesn't even have like acne, but like he gets it like every once in a while. He'll get like one or two, and he'll be like obsessing over that pimple, guys. Like it's crazy. He'll be like, oh, like pop it from me or whatever. But I'm like, dude, like there's nothing there, you know? And he's just like poking at it because he doesn't want it to be there and whatever. He's just like self-conscious and stuff. Um, so yeah, I feel like that's how Leos are, very worried about like their presence and stuff. And honestly, I'm like that too. Like, it's terrible, guys. I feel like I do give out Leo energy, a lot of Leo energy. Another thing about Leos is that they are natural born leaders. They are go-getters, so whatever they like set their mind to, they're gonna go ahead and achieve that. They're very, very, oh my god, I fucked up this eyeliner. Um, they're very like determined, and yeah, just basically whatever, I mean, whatever they set their mind to, they're gonna go out and do it. A lot of the times that will also translate and come off as a Leo being stubborn, which let me tell you, they can be stubborn. Um, just because they're so like determined and stuff, they'll want to do things their way, and they're always right, and they're, you know what I mean, like, yeah. So it comes off as them being stubborn. So like how I was saying earlier, Leos are extremely passionate and fiery people. They are very compassionate, and they have really, really big hearts. And right now, the planet Mercury is actually in Leo. It entered Leo, I think it was like on the 4th. Um, and basically, Mercury is the way we communicate. So also, um, check your birth charts, look at your Mercury planet, and that is going to tell you how you communicate. So because the planet Mercury deals with communication, and because it isn't currently in Leo, a lot of us are going to want to um, be very, very passionate about how we communicate, and you're basically just want to like speak your mind out about the things that you're passionate about. So yeah, just keep that in mind, be on the lookout for that. So I kind of like the way this like bleached brow look is happening. I don't know if I should leave them or fill them in. Anyways, another thing about Leos is that they are extremely, well, like other people are extremely attracted to them. Like they're just, I don't know, people are just drawn to Leos. And let me tell you guys a quick story time. Okay, so me, naturally, I've always been drawn to Jose. I don't know why. It's just what I feel, you know? Like I've just always, always, always been drawn to him, been always, always, always been attracted to him since day one, always. And I never like knew why and stuff. So yeah, he also has a lot of other girls who are drawn to him. Like it's weird. He just attracts like so many people, and I never knew why until I started like doing my research and stuff, and I'm like, oh shit, like Leos attract people. So yeah, he's I don't know, it's just weird, very, very weird, but he does attract a lot of people. Leos are like that, and they also attract and tend to have a lot of friends and like big friend groups. So that's that. Okay, so one last thing about Leos is that they are very, very, very honest people, to the point where they can come off as being very like brutal sometimes. Um, but I mean, that's just how they are. They just say things straight out, and sometimes that can be a good thing, sometimes it can be a bad thing. Personally, I love when people are just like straight out and honest. instead of like beating around the bush all the time, and you know, just like when they're just not telling you things the way they are. So yeah, I would just prefer for someone to be super honest with me than not, like, than for them to be lying to me, I guess. So this is it for the finished look, guys. Very, very fierce cat winged out eyeliner look. I am obsessed with this look. You guys, if you guys want to try this at home, you guys can always change up the color. I just put an orange down here, but you can always do whatever color you like. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any Leos in your life, I hope this helped you guys kind of like understand them and get to know them a little bit more. Also, always check your birth chart, check your partner's birth chart, check your kid's birth chart. This of course is always going to help you guys in knowing like their personalities and how they work and stuff like that. So very, very important to check your birth chart, don't forget. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.